I regret it or not. What's that?
You gotta keep it off the street.
Alright.
Behind the grass, okay?
Alright. I mean, that's cool enough, I guess. He could have been a dick about it, but he's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess I'll take that. Just for the record though, if I was from around here and I knew this area better, I probably would have ran anyway. Fuck that. I wasn't going with it. Hell no, I wasn't going with it. Shit.
That didn't work out, did it?
No. I'm out now. I was stuck down there.
Where are you going?
To my house. I think I can get out from there.
Get it home, okay?
Alright. Alright. Appreciate it.
No problem.
It's a learning lesson too. I don't really want if this guy is throwing rocks and shit at me and feel it. It's like gravel, sand, dirt, and nastiness, and we're going 80 again. You really gotta quit it. And the speed slows way down. And there's a cop behind me. And he's gonna pull me over, I know it. I knew I was gonna get a ticket. He doesn't see my license plate. I know it. I gotta turn here too. Son of a bitch. Oh, he wants me so bad. I'm never gonna make my test now. I'm never gonna make my test now. Now I'm gonna be late. I just got a ticket. I'm late. Son of a bitch. Hello. Oh, I'm alright till now, I suppose.
Alright. The reason for the stop tonight's for your speed.
I was just trying to get by us. That truck was throwing sand at me. I realized I was going a little fast, but I was just going in my helmet.
And then all of a sudden you darted over.
Yeah, they were throwing that
around everybody there.
Yeah, they were throwing that sand at me. I slowed right back down. I didn't mean to. I apologize.
Back down. I
didn't even know you were behind me until I'm like, great. I'm actually on my way to take my motorcycle test right now.
Okay.
And I'm like, oh man, great.
All right, just need your driver's license.
Oh yeah. Can I get off my bike quick?
Yep,
yeah.
that's fine.
Okay. It's actually my. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Ah, busted number 2 already.
Alright, so, and have you registered the vehicle?
Yeah, I actually got pulled over. You probably can already tell that. I cut like last week, and I actually got a ticket. So this is really gonna kill me, but.
Okay, so you have or haven't?
Oh, I did. Yeah, I registered. I registered that day, like a month. I couldn't.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Yeah, usually it takes a little bit.
That's what he said too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want, you can always carry the
registration. I have it,
but go through the system here shortly. You might want to call the DMV. Just double check with them on that.
Okay.
If you pass your test today, obviously you'll be going to the DMV again anyway.
Well, I probably shouldn't be driving. If I keep getting pulled over.
Just giving you a warning.
Oh, thank you so much.
Just make sure that you're being safe out there.
Slow down.
Especially if you're going in and out of traffic like that.
Yeah.
I'd hate to see you get hit or somebody.
Or hurt somebody else, or
that lane change and then
Yeah.
end up hitting you as well. And
Yeah.
unfortunately, bikes don't do too well against any other vehicle.
No, we lose. Big time.
So, all right, well, be safe and good luck on your
Oh,
stuff today.
thank you.
You're welcome.
And then hope. I got lucky, guys. Busted number 2. Yeah, there's 2 cops there to the left. Nice. Didn't think that one through, did we? Ah! Yeah, that was probably a poor choice right there. We finally get into town, roll into the 25 zone. Did he seem cool or?
Gave me the nice wheelie, but
I don't think that's good. Cop says nice wheelie. Well, hopefully he's looking over your record and decides, hey, he's gonna give you a warning.
that's really what I'm looking for.
I mean, it was a small wheelie. He's coming back already, so that's good.
I know.
Don't do it in front of my sergeant.
I know.
I was just telling him, it's like we're in town here. We just hit the 25 zone. There was so much back roads area. If you're gonna do a wheelie, that's probably it.
We had all Highway 34.
Yeah, and then you get into town.
I'm a bit of a dipshit, so.
Well, thank you very much for the warning. It doesn't go unnoticed, and this fellow is gonna do better.
Alright, guys. So, have fun on your ride.
Don't worry, we're just stopping for gas and leaving.
Yeah. And get out of the city. Thank you. Yeah. Have a great day. What a great time to reveal Misfit Midget's face.
So there's my face reveal for your channel.
There you go.
Well, let's go get gas and get the fuck out of here.
Why'd he flash his lights at me? What? Oh man. Oh, the cops. Pardon?
Just went through a school zone 57.
Sorry?
School zone? You didn't slow down for it at all.
I was going 40.
57, mate, on there.
57.
Show us your license.
Alright. It's alright.
Bring it up.
Bring it up.
Off the street.
Oh, it's easy to go up.
Whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
So, you know, apart from the equipment,
Yeah.
we can tell how fast you're going. It's obvious.
Yeah, no, I'm not arguing with you.
Yeah.
I just thought I was going 40.
No, mate, you're way over.
I was definitely going 40 back there. Must have been the hill.
When you're coming to me, mate, it was pretty obvious you were going way over 40.
Yeah.
So you can remember there's kids around.
Yeah, no,
Which kid
I know.
very young and will run out of in front of
Yeah.
you. Have you been booked? Oh, let's hope you haven't been booked. You're a line, still a learner.
Yeah.
You got a point?
Pardon? Yeah.
That little thing.
Yeah, that's it.
That's not, mate. You need to replace that, yeah?
Yeah.
That is not acceptable as a
Alright.
wall plate.
Yeah. Yep.
Take the helmet off, fucking see the plate.
Yep.
Yeah.
What I'll do, are you running late or?
Let me check. Yeah, I'll start in like 7 minutes.
Alright, you got. I'll photograph this and you can go.
I'll get a new license because it's pretty dodgy, to be honest. the L plate.
Yeah, that's
pretty
not
dodgy.
acceptable, man. I'm telling you now. Yeah, I'm not going to book you for it,
Yeah.
but if I wanted to, I could, because it's basically you'd be failing to display L plates because that's not acceptable. But
Yeah, I
look,
got hit. I actually got rear-ended by a car. I think it was like 2 weeks ago or something, and
Yep.
that stopped it off a bit.
Yeah, it's cool. Look,
But-
I accept.
but I would
I
change
accept
it,
things
yeah.
happen. So all I'm saying to you today is slow down.
Yeah,
you get
no,
a letter in
definitely.
the mail that's just a warning, so you don't have to go to court. You're not going to lose
Yeah,
your
that's
license
cool.
because you guys don't have any points on your L's, yeah. But
yeah,
slow the hell down.
yeah, I will.
Because even if it was 60,
Yeah.
you're already getting towards 60. And what I keep saying to the L platers is, when you see a sign that says 60, it doesn't mean go at 60, it means stay under 60, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Because you guys got no points, you can't afford to lose
Yeah.
your license.
Yeah, no, I understand.
All right, and please pay particular attention to the school zones, yeah? Because that's
Yeah,
where
no.
someone will get
Definitely.
hurt.
Alright, thanks for
All right.
teaching me a lesson.
You get a letter, and that's all it is.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.